In this video we show you how to install add-ons within the program from Windows, web, and app after purchasing them. Click on the rocket icon, then on the line of the purchased component, and proceed to the installation. Synchronize and use now the new additional function. Installation is required only once, and you find the function on each device. Proceed to install the component from the web version. Click on the question mark icon in the upper right corner, and select the rocket icon. Select the add-on and click Install. If you want to install the component from the iOS Android app, press the question mark icon in the upper right corner, then select the rocket icon, and follow the same procedure seen for the web. Well done, you did it.